What if I told you that in just 30 days, you could completely transform yourself, improve your looks, your confidence, and your presence? It might sound impossible, but it's not. If you want to change your appearance, boost your confidence, and truly evolve, then you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to achieve a complete male glow-up in just 30 days. A realistic and efficient plan that any guy can follow. But what exactly is a glow-up? Basically, it's a physical, mental, and style transformation that makes you look and feel better. It's that upgrade that makes you more attractive, more confident, and stand out in any environment. And the best part? You don't need elite genetics or a ton of money. With small strategic changes in your routine, you can see real results in just 1 month. So stick around until the end because I'm giving you a complete step-by-step guide for your glow-up. Before any external transformation, everything starts in your mind. If you don't have the right mindset, nothing will truly change. Growth mindset, committing to the process. A glow-up doesn't happen overnight. You need to commit to the process and understand that every small daily action counts. Visualize the best version of yourself and start acting like that person today. Discipline beats motivation. You can't wait until you feel like doing something. Build a solid routine, set fixed times to wake up, exercise, and take care of yourself. Small daily actions create big changes over time. Sleep and energy, the foundation for a better appearance and vitality. If you want to improve your skin, reduce dark circles, and have more energy, sleep is essential. Sleeping well regulates hormones, boosts your mood, and enhances the results of your glow-up. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and create the right environment for proper rest. Now that your mindset is in the right place, it's time to take care of your body. A good appearance starts with health, and small adjustments make all the difference. Smart nutrition, cutting out processed foods, increasing protein and water intake. You are what you eat. If your diet is full of fast food, sodas, and sugar, your body and skin will reflect that. The key is to cut out processed foods, increase your intake of lean proteins, and drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day. This will improve your energy levels, skin quality, and even muscle definition. Efficient training, simple exercises to improve posture, strength, and definition. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to see results. A well-structured 30 to 45-minute workout is enough. Focus on compound exercises like push-ups, squats, and pull-ups that work multiple muscle groups at once. Also, improving your posture will make you look taller, stronger, and more confident. Hygiene and personal care, skin, beard, haircut, and smell. There's no point in being fit and stylish if your hygiene isn't on point. Take care of your skin with a proper facial cleanser and moisturizer to prevent oiliness and breakouts. Keep your beard or haircut well groomed. A clean look makes a huge difference. And most importantly, smell good. A quality cologne and deodorant ensure that people remember you in the best way possible. There's no point in improving your looks and health if you don't know how to communicate and carry yourself with confidence. This is the key to standing out in any situation. How to express yourself better and appear more confident. Confidence isn't just about looks. It's also about how you speak and carry yourself. Speak clearly, avoid excessive slang, and practice eye contact. A straight posture and a firm tone of voice make you appear more secure and respectable. And remember, true confidence comes from preparation. The more knowledge and experiences you have, the more naturally you'll communicate. Who you know can be just as important as what you know. Building strong connections opens doors to opportunities, friendships, and personal growth. Attend events, engage with interesting people, and always provide value before asking for anything. Be someone who contributes, and the right connections will come naturally. Social media and digital presence. How to project a glow-up online. Today, your digital presence is just as important as your real-world presence. Take care of your social media so it reflects the best version of you. Avoid posting things that could give off a negative or immature image. Invest in good photos, share productive moments, and use your profile to create new opportunities, whether in your career or personal life. If you've made it this far, you now have a complete plan to transform your looks, mindset, and confidence in just 30 days. Quick recap: we set the right mindset and habits, improved the body with diet and workouts, leveled up style and grooming, and finally, worked on communication and presence. If you apply all of this, results will come. But none of this matters if you don't take action. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Pick one of these points and start today. Now, I want to hear from you. Which change will you apply first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you want more guidance, there are other videos here to help you on this journey. See you there.